The woodpecker, guys and girls. He came over again. I found the right combination of food. He disappeared for the longest time, but I got a fruit and nut food for him. And it's just loaded with little nuts and pieces that he likes. I'm going to try to get lasers over here. You hear them? Those squirrels want a peanut, but I wanted to watch the woodpecker for a while. Isn't that nice? Come on down here, little buddy. God, I can't wait till my camera comes in. 2 more days, guys and gals. Gonna have an 18 times zoom instead of 4. Where'd he go? Did y'all see him? Laser! Where are you? You hear Laser? There's 2 of them here. You'll hear 2, 3. There might be 3 here. I can't see a goddamn one of them. Where are you, Laser? He wants bread, I'll bet. Let me check their bread. If they've got no bread, I'll bring them some out. Oh, they've eaten it all. Yeah. I'll go get them a slice of bread, guys and gals, and it's kind of cool. A little minute with the woodpecker. Look at this guy up there. What the hell is that squirrel doing? You see him? You like found something in there. Bet you there's bugs in there. I wouldn't doubt if that woodpecker poked a hole. Look at him. That is a little kit. 8 weeks, maybe 9 by now. Time flies. What in the world is that little thing doing? I wish I could get up there, guys and gals. I'm getting us a zoom and we're gonna get up there and see what's going on instead of standing down here. Look at him. He is going to town. I hear you. Laser and them are yelling, yelling, yelling. I wonder what the heck is in there. Look at him. He's a nut. 9-week-old. Look at him. Anybody see what he's doing? I don't have a clue. I wish he'd get done. I don't want to leave. Let's see what the hell he's after. He's chewing it. I can't get any closer. All right, I'm going to get Laser. He's lasering. You hear him? They want food. They come every day, they do that. I'll give them a piece of bread. Slice of bread cost me like what, 10 cents? I'll do it.